Alright, let's see if this works. Hello YouTube. This is probably the worst screen capture in the history of YouTube, but I don't have screen capture on this computer, and this computer is kind of slow. Probably won't be able to handle any decent screen capture capabilities. So we're going old school camera to computer screen. So let me just see if I can adjust this properly to get the screen. Anyway, so why are we doing this? Well, my customers told me today that he doesn't like the fact that the background on the landing page is kind of dark. Well, the reason it's dark is because the creator of this template put a little overlay on the pictures, or on the slider, to give it a bit of a darker look, and the purpose for which was to make the text pop out a little bit better. Well, apparently my client does not like that, so I need to turn down the overlay, basically. Problem is, though, there's no option for that in the template. It is what it is, and there's nothing in the template that allows you to do that. So all is not lost. There's a trick you can do. So let me go back here and close this so you can see. So right here's the website, and it's all in its glory. As you can see, the background is slightly dark. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to right click. I'm going to go here to inspect. Boom. I'm going to inspect now this. And right now this JavaScript is cycling through the different images in the sequence for the slider. And you can see on the right here basically all the source code, and every time you highlight you can see exactly what portion of the source code is in reference to the page. So when I highlight this right here, you can see this is to this part of the slider. Next part right here is to this part of the slider. But the important thing here is you can see on this side the CSS for each of the elements in the source code. So what I'm looking here for, I'm going to click one of these sliders here, and I'll look at the CSS. I'm looking at the CSS to see if anything pops out, specifically as far as background colors go, and here we go. It's right here. Background, pseudo before element, so there's a pseudo element set right before. Let me see if I can zoom in so you can see. Right there. You can see right there, BT front slider wrapper, single slide wrap before. So that's a pseudo element on the actual div for the slider image, which puts this overlay right here, RGBA 000 and then 0.7. It's basically a black background set before the element, basically on top of the element, with an opacity of 0.7. So no wonder it's so dark. It's set at 0.7. It's almost completely opaque. So let's go ahead and zoom out, and you'll see something really neat. Oh, let me try to center this camera. There we go. See these check boxes right here? What I can do is I can uncheck this, and boom, you can see the background light up right there. See? I'll check back it again and uncheck. Basically turn on and off elements, CSS styling all you want. You can change the height from here, width, take it all off. And what's really cool is you can go back here and change specific values in here as well. So if I want to see what this looks like with 0.3 instead, well, there it is with 0.3. Let's try 0.5. See? Give this away. Let's go 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5, 0.6, 0.7. See, 0.7 was pretty dark. So he was right to think it was pretty dark, but I don't want to go completely without some darkness, otherwise it washes out the text. So I'll probably go with the 0.2 or 0.3. I think a 0.3 is pretty good. So what I'll do now is I'll go what I need to do is I need to take this text right here, copy that. That's the CSS we're gonna change. So let's go here. So this is where you're gonna go. I'll show you this from here. When you're inside your admin panel, you're gonna go from Appearance, Customize. And then you're going to go down here where it says Additional CSS. You can see I already have some CSS laid out already for some other things. So now I'm going to type this in here. Just paste that, just like it would do any other CSS. And now we're going to go background, RGBA 0, 0. Oh, wait. Let's see. I can just double check how they do it. Yeah, with commas. RGBA 0, 0, 0, 0.3 and semicolon. So now, it probably happened too fast for you to see, but there it is. It's now. We'll go ahead and close this. I haven't refreshed yet, so right now it's going to go back to the dark one, dark version here, 0.7. Go here, we're going to go ahead and publish that. 5.3. Go back. Now that it's published, we'll refresh to make sure with the code worked, and boom, it's much brighter now. And there you are. Even though the template did not give me the option to change the background opacity overlaying these slider images, well, we were able to do that by changing some CSS and looking for the div class name in Google Chrome by using here, right click and inspect to view the source and the accompanying CSS with it. Anyway, hope that helps. Good luck, and I'll see you around. Be sure to like the video if you enjoyed it, or if this video helped you out. Subscribe if you'd like to see more videos like this in the future. I'll be adding more videos in relation to web development. And if there's anything specific you'd like to see, be sure to leave a comment. I will be reading everybody's comment as much as I can. Have a wonderful day. Peace.